Hi, this is David again. Just going to take you through the solutions of the homework for week 9. There's only one question. It was about taking a strand of DNA and finding the complement of it. Now the question is in the kind of format of what you get in the AIPO competitions, those programming Olympiads, the Ireland Olympiads ones you could be doing. So it's kind of very formalized. Now apologies for that there is a typo in the question to do with explaining how they map, how each, DNA nucleobases. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure how that works, but how they map. But if you look at the examples, you can see T to A and C, A, T, G to A. You can see how they kind of map C to G, and the reverse is true. So you can express these mappings as a dictionary from this to this. This maps to this, this maps to this, this maps to that. A to G, G to A, G to C, C to G. So that's how we can represent the mapping. And then we can create, because we want to kind of take each character, each letter in the string, and we want to change it to its corresponding complement. So we can create a lambda function which will take each letter and find the complement. So we can save that as it's a function, but we write it using the lambda syntax. As you can see, character takes and then gets the result of the character past the dictionary. Now then we use map, and map will take the lambda function and apply it to each element of the kind of list that we give it. But we can also give it a string, so it breaks it down to each letter or character. And that saves it as like a map type. Don't worry what that is, you basically just need to convert that into either a string or a list back. So it's kind of an intermediary type. So this allows us to convert the map into a string, so we just join it. You might have seen this for lists before. So it works the same with lists and with maps. So that turns it back into a string, and then it returns it. And we just have this here to take the input from the user and to output it. So we save it and then print it. Now one thing to be careful about is for these formalized kind of competition questions, you have to give exactly the right input for the right output, so don't add any kind of pretty flares or anything like that, extra text in it, because it'll most likely be checked by a machine. So it just wants expecting exactly what it's looking for as the only output. So we wouldn't want to say the DNA is or anything like that. We just say the exact result. So as an example, we can, using some previous ones, we can say GAT. Yeah. And see how it maps. So it's working, and I hope that's all clear to you. And you probably get a couple more questions in this format. And hopefully you do give the competition a go. And best of luck. Hopefully you understand what's going on here. And if you do have any other questions, feel free to ask in class. I'll be there, and I'm happy to answer any questions about the homework. Thank you.